We're just heading up to see the entertainment area, the attractions, the theatre, the Blue Man Group and Carrot Top. They both have a residency here. I didn't see Carrot Top, but the Blue Man Group were amazing, absolutely hilarious. Some of the things they did, the skill was amazing. There's Diablo's Cantina, Diablo's store. I've not been in that yet, I'll need to have a wee look. And there's the box office. Look, there's the Bodies exhibition. Really not, it wasn't good. I didn't like it. There's a wee bar for getting your drinks or whatever before you go into the Blue Man Group. It's the Titanic exhibition. I did really like that. It was really good, I thought. There's King Tut's. Now, I didn't do this, but maybe tomorrow, I don't know what time it opens at. If it's opened early enough, I maybe just run in and do it. Because why not? So, it's the Atrium showroom. It's where Carrot Top and Fantasy are. The Strip's sexiest tees. The gift shop for the Blue Man Group. I have to say, I went after and got a couple of things there that, well, not after, I got about four or five things. Really liked them. It's great. Over here, this is the play. I wanted to try that. There's a similar place in London, in Canary Wharf. Oh, I can't remember the name of it. Not sure, but it was really good. Just a quick glimpse into it, you can see it's an adult playground. That's the Mandalay place for the shops, but I'm not going to go in there. I'm going to go back and I'm going to show you the food court. Just look at that. Look how high up that goes. In a sense, it's a wee bit of a waste of space. I mean, if it was just a big square building, think how much more they could have in it. I don't know. It is a gimmick, and Vegas is very gimmicky. But I quite like it. I have to say, I do actually really like the design of it. It's pretty cool. It's cool, but I do think they're missing a trick there. They could fill it up with more stuff, I think, if it was designed differently. The kind of dining area. And the food court. See, here's the original chicken tender. Haven't tried that one. Nathan's famous hot dogs. I tried that and that was really good. I loved their hot dogs. I don't know if they've got one in San Francisco, but they've definitely got one in New York and I'll be trying that out. But I did do a video with the hot dog. If you want to see that, see my review. I really enjoyed it. Over here's Banana's New York Pizzeria. Haven't tried that, but I want to try one of these. Pepperoni stromboli. I'll need to try that. I'll watch your sports while you're here. Deli subs and salads. I like a sub. I've never tried Subway, I think, but I'm going to need to try something like that. Well, that's the entertainment in the food court in the Luxor. It's well worth going. It's a nice hotel to stay in. I really liked it. The next time I go, I think if I was going back again, well, I will come back again. I think the Venetian is the one I would go for. I absolutely love that. It looks so nice, and I think Jacqueline would love that. Those that don't know, my wife Jacqueline, she's in a wheelchair, and I think the Venetian would be a good one for her. I wasn't sure about taking her, but aye, it's a nice place, and I was unsure how safe Vegas would be for disabled folk, but I think it is fairly safe. It's just crossing the streets, I think, is the most. I don't feel you get enough time, you know. Anyway, that's me finished in the Luxor. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.